Hey guys, this is Jay. Today I'm going to give away this beautiful wedding album PSD templates. If you are a channel member means you can download this file. All you got to do is go to the channel community tab. There you will find the templates download link. Use that link and you can download the files. In case if you are not a channel member means you can join the channel membership program anytime. All you got to do is click the join button below. You will get all the necessary information. You can join any membership levels you want. Please do note that Creators Pack and Champions Pack members are only eligible to download the files. Friends Pack members are not eligible to download templates. So please do note that. Fine, now let's see how to edit the templates. If you are a channel member means go to the channel community tab, you will find the download link, download the files, next extract the files. Now go to the project file. In the project file, you will find 3 PSD templates. I'm going to open this template 1. There you go. This is how the template going to look. Editing the template is quite simple. First, let's see how to add image. I'm going to add new image to right side. For that, select the right side group, this one. There, navigate to image group and select the image placeholder shape layer. Next step, go to your image folder. Open your image inside Photoshop. Fine, now drag and drop the image inside our canvas, like so. Make sure to place the image right above the image placeholder layer. Next step, right click and clip match the image. By doing so, our image will be visible only inside the image placeholder shape. Fine. Next step, we are going to resize the image. For that, enable free transform tool Ctrl T. Now resize the image. Once you're done, click enter. There you go. Now our image is ready. Simple, isn't it? This is how you should add images to all the templates. Next, I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to add image on left side. Same step, select the left group, navigate to the image group, select the image placeholder layer. Now go to your image folder. Open your image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. As I said before, make sure to place the image right above the image placeholder shape. Next step, yes, we are going to clip match the image. Right click and clip match the image. Next step, it's time to resize the image. Enable free transform tool Ctrl T and resize the image. There you go. Using the same step, I'm going to add another image. I'll fast forward the process. There you go. Now our template is ready. Next step, I'm going to add a glow effect. This step is optional. Let me see how to add glow effect. For that, create a new layer like so. Now change the blending mode to color dodge. Now go to color picker. Here I'm going to add glow effect to this part. For that, I'm going to sample this color. Next, I'm going to pick the darker version of the color, this one. Now click OK. Next step, pick the brush tool. Now select soft round brush, this one. Now increase the brush size a little bit. Now give a single click like so. There you go. We created a subtle glow effect. This one is the original one and this is final result. Using the same technique, you can add glow effect to any parts you want. There you go. Once you're done, our template is almost ready. Next step, we're going to merge all our layers into a single layer. For that, I'm going to use keyboard shortcut Shift Ctrl Alt E. Next, we're going to color grade our template. For that, go to Filter, select Camera Raw Filter. Here, play with the settings to make the template little more vibrant and attractive. I'm going to increase the vibrance and saturation level. Next, in the color mixer, I'm going to play with the saturation levels. Once you are happy with the output, click OK. There you go, now our wedding album is ready for the print. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Yes, I'm going to give away lots and lots of wedding album templates. If you want all of them means, join our channel membership program so that you can download the templates anytime. To join the channel membership program, click the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.